For 25 years, the Yankees have provided food for those in need during the holidays. This year is no different as they open their doors for individuals to bring in donated food items. In addition to getting the satisfaction of lending a helping hand, 2 Yankee tickets were given to those who brought in more than 30 pounds of food. Sister Beatrice from Immaculate Conception School has always encouraged her students to get involved in the food drive. This year, they brought in over 5,000 pounds of food.
We started the food drive after Thanksgiving, and this is the Safety Patrol, 8th grade, who organized it, collected the food every day, counted the food, and gave out tickets to the kids who, not Yankee tickets, but regular school tickets to the kids who brought in the food. And so we collected almost 5,000 pounds this year, which surpassed our amount last year, which was 4,200. So every year we do a little bit better on it. And we get our vouchers. Who has the vouchers?
Right here.
Hold them up there. So we get vouchers for games. These are our season tickets for the year.
I feel very happy donating to people who really need it.
I feel blessed, and I feel like Tiara said, I feel excited because we get to give to others that we're helping others in need.
I feel like I'm part of a big family and that we're all like brothers and sisters that are helping people out, so I'm very grateful to have that.
Yankees have always been really good about helping out the community and the surrounding area, so I think it's just sticking to the narrative they've been, class organization, and they're always doing their part to help out.
Here we sit 25 years later with a partner like Krasdale Foods, and they kicked off our event with 72,000 pounds. Reverend Birkett helps us distribute this food right in our own Bronx community. It services the housebound, the elderly, the ill, families in need, and a few soup kitchens. And this is the unifying spot where they can all come together to make a difference this holiday season.
The Bronx has a lot of needs, so it feels really good. And it's a great experience to see, and it's part of how corporations should be giving back.
It's a Christmas story, and that's what Christ is all about, making a difference, And we say Jesus is the reason for the season, and he came to bless the people. And this is probably, I know this is something blessed of God, because when they were hungry, he did feed them. He didn't send them away. He said, we're gonna take care of them.
And because of their good works, many will truly be blessed. For BronxNet, I'm Veronica Guiti.